Imagine yourself walking through a flower-filled field on a sunny day. The fresh air carries the softness of the flowers, and suddenly, a sweet and delicate fragrance fills your nostrils. Instantly, you are transported to a distant memory, a moment of pure joy or perhaps intense love. This is the magic of scents, a deep connection between what we feel and what we remember, a dance between the soul and lived experiences. The angels, beings of light and love, often show us that fragrances are much more than mere odors. They are portals that connect us to feelings and memories. Have you ever stopped to think about how certain aromas can reignite emotions, how the sea breeze can bring forth the echoes of shared laughter? Each scent is a messenger, carrying with it the story of moments that shaped who you are. It is interesting to note that science has already confirmed this powerful connection. Studies reveal that our sense of smell is directly linked to the limbic system, the part of the brain responsible for emotions and memories. Thus, when we sense a familiar fragrance, our mind and heart intertwine, and memories emerge like flowers in a well-tended garden. The presence of the angels is felt in this process, guiding us through memories and encouraging us to revisit the parts of our history that still long for healing or celebration. Now imagine a moment when a specific scent made you feel that touching nostalgia, like the aroma of freshly brewed coffee that takes you into the arms of someone you love. The angels want you to know that these signs are not mere coincidences. They are here to remind you that your emotions are valid and that every sensation is an opportunity to reconnect with your essence. Have you ever noticed how scents can become companions on your journey? When considering this, you might ask yourself, what memories do I want to revisit now? The angels are whispering that it's time to open your heart and allow those memories to surface. By doing this, you not only honor your past but also create space for new experiences, letting love and light enter your life. As we reflect on this sensory connection, think of a scent that has brought a special memory to mind. Share in the comments how that experience made you feel. This is an important step to embrace your emotions and acknowledge the role the angels play in your journey. And at the end of this reflection, one question lingers. What else might the angels be trying to show you through the fragrances that surround you? Get ready, as that answer is about to be revealed, and the light that the angels radiate can further illuminate your path. Amid the hustle and bustle of everyday life, have you taken a moment to notice how scents can transport you to special moments? The gentle breeze that carries the scent of flowers on a sunny day or the inviting smell of fresh coffee in the morning can awaken deep memories and dormant emotions. The angels, in their infinite wisdom, use these subtle signals to communicate with you, revealing messages that often go unnoticed. Imagine yourself walking through a park, the sun warming your face, and suddenly, a familiar scent fills your nostrils. It could be the sweet aroma of a flower that reminds you of a loved one, or the smell of rain that brings back a moment of happiness. This connection is no mere coincidence. The angels are around you, using your senses to establish an intimate dialogue with your soul. They want you to know that just like scents, your experiences and feelings are part of a grand divine plan. Now, take a moment to reflect. How many times have you felt touched by a scent that seemed to carry a special meaning? This happens because angels often communicate through fragrances that resonate with your deepest emotions. The scent of lavender can bring calm on turbulent days, while the smell of baking bread evokes memories of warmth and family. Each aroma serves as a bridge between the physical and spiritual worlds, an invitation to connect with what truly matters. It is in these moments of connection that the angels reveal themselves. They want you to know that every sensation you experience is a message of love and protection. When you notice a scent that reminds you of something or someone, ask yourself, what does this memory teach me? What feelings does it bring to the surface? The answer may be the key to unlocking parts of your soul that are yearning for attention and healing. As you consider these olfactory messages, how can you enhance this connection? How about creating a simple ritual? Light a scented candle while you reflect on your intentions. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, allowing the aroma to fill your being, leading you to a state of calm and clarity. While doing this, feel the presence of the angels around you, guiding and protecting you. But what do the angels have in store for you now? The answers lie in the subtleties of life, in the fragrances that envelop your daily routine. Pay attention to the signs that come your way, for they may be the guidance you are seeking. And as you open yourself to these experiences, you will discover that each scent is a message of love, a reminder that you are never alone. As you reflect on this, know that the next revelation from the angels will be even deeper. They have something special that could transform the way you perceive the world and yourself. Stay alert to the signs, as the journey has only just begun. In a world full of stimuli, scents have a unique ability to touch our souls. Have you ever stopped to think about how a simple smell can make your heart race or bring to mind dormant memories? When the gentle breeze carries the fragrance of flowers in spring, it doesn't just envelop your senses, it invites you to dance with nostalgia. It's as if the angels, in their eternal wisdom, use scents as portals, connecting your present to past moments that shaped your essence. Synesthesia, this magical connection between the senses, reveals a fascinating aspect of the human experience. Imagine yourself on a sunny day, walking through a garden filled with lavender. The fresh, sweet aroma seems to whisper secrets of the universe, awakening feelings of calm and joy. In that moment, you realize, the angels are doing more than just watching. They are guiding you through subtle signs, using the power of sense for you to remember who you truly are. How many times have you found yourself thinking of someone special when you catch a whiff of their favorite perfume or encounter the aroma of a dish that brings back memories of a magical time? These reactions are much more than coincidences. They are messages from the angels, inviting you to explore the depth of your emotions and rediscover connections that often remain hidden in the everyday hustle. When considering this, it's essential to reflect, what are these scents trying to tell you? Are they a reminder that you are worthy of love and happiness? Or perhaps a call to remember joyful moments you have experienced? The answer may lie in the whispers of your own intuition, where the angels reside, ready to illuminate your path. As you dive into this reflection, how about creating a small ritual? Light a candle with a scent you love, and allow yourself to feel the energy flowing around you. Take a deep breath and say out loud, I am receptive to the whispers of the angels. Notice how this simple action can open doors to a new understanding of yourself. But the journey doesn't end here. What else do the angels have in store for you? What other messages are hidden in the fragrances you encounter in your daily life? These questions await your answers, and with each deep breath, you are getting closer to the truth that the angels want you to discover. So with each scent that touches your life, remember, you are guided by a higher power. The angels are here, using all of your senses to connect with you, helping to reveal the truths hidden in your heart. And by exploring these connections, you will allow the light that resides within you to shine even more brightly, attracting all that is divine and beautiful. So, take a deep breath and open your heart. The aromas surrounding your life are invitations to a journey of self-discovery. And as you reflect on this, know that the next message the angels have for you might be even more transformative. Get ready, for the celestial energy is just beginning to manifest in your life. In the midst of your daily routine, have you ever caught yourself taking a deep breath, and suddenly, a familiar scent transported you to a specific moment? It's fascinating how the fragrance of a flower, the smell of fresh coffee, or even the perfume of a loved one can trigger memories that had been dormant. These olfactory experiences, subtle yet powerful, have the gift of connecting us to deep emotions, and in some cases, even to pains we thought we had overcome. The angels observe all of this and want you to know that each aroma carries not just memories but also valuable messages. Sometimes, you may come across a scent that evokes an inexplicable sadness within you. This feeling might be an echo of past experiences that in some way haven't been fully resolved. The angels encourage us to pay attention to these emotions. They are here to guide you on a path of healing, helping to transform those painful memories into lessons learned. Have you ever considered that every memory, even the toughest ones, can be an opportunity for growth and liberation? Imagine yourself on a sunny day, where the breeze carries the fragrance of flowers in full bloom. You take a deep breath and feel the vibrant energy around you. Now, think of a moment when a scent made you feel lost in memories you would rather not relive. This duality is a part of the human journey, and the angels want you to know that it's perfectly okay to feel. Before moving on, I invite you to reflect, what does this painful memory have to teach you? How can it be a step toward your transformation? The emotional challenges that arise with these scents are not mere coincidences. They are invitations for you to dive deep within yourself and discover what truly needs healing. Just like spring brings rebirth, the angels are here to remind you that you too can bloom, even after emotional storms. By confronting these memories, you may uncover the strength that resides within you. As you allow yourself to feel these emotions, what may emerge is a profound connection to your essence, an understanding that each fragrance is a thread in the tapestry of your life. The angels whisper for you to listen to your heart, for it knows the way. Ask yourself, how can I transform this pain into light? What can I learn from these scents that stir up memories? At the end of this reflection, remember that you are not alone. Many people are facing these challenges. Share with us in the comments how a specific scent has impacted you, or how you felt when recalling an experience. This is a safe space for you to express your story. And now, as you allow yourself to feel, know that the angels have something very special in store for you. Get ready, for the next message may be the missing key to unlock the doors of your emotional transformation. In a world filled with scents, there is an invisible power that connects us to moments and memories. Have you ever found yourself smelling a familiar perfume, and instantly, a sweet or bitter memory surfaced? These smells act as portals, opening the doors to the past and bringing forth emotions we thought we had left behind. The angels, in their infinite wisdom, show us that each fragrance carries a unique energy, capable of guiding us through processes of healing and transformation. Imagine yourself walking through a wildflower field. The gentle breeze carries the scent of jasmine, and in an instant, you are transported back to a sunny day in your childhood, full of laughter and freedom. This connection is not mere coincidence. It is the touch of the angels in your life, reminding you that the past, with all its nuances, is still a part of who you are. Each aroma is a message, a clue left by celestial beings to help you navigate the sometimes turbulent waters of your emotions. As you reflect on this, you may wonder, what are these scents trying to tell you? How can they serve as guides on your journey of overcoming? Angels often use scents as a means of communication, allowing you to reconnect with parts of your story that need to be honored and healed. They want you to know that feelings of pain, longing, or even joy that arise with these perfumes are valid and deserve to be felt. Consider the story of someone who, in the midst of their struggle with a broken heart, began using a fragrance they had shared with a special person. At first, each spritz was a reminder of the pain. But over time, that scent transformed into a symbol of love and learning. The angels helped her realize that instead of running away from the memories, she could embrace them. In doing so, she began to find peace, turning her sadness into a celebration of the connection she once had. Now, I invite you to take a moment for reflection. When was the last time a scent sparked an intense emotion in you? What feelings arose? It's essential to acknowledge these moments, as they carry messages from the angels, guiding you towards a deeper understanding of yourself. As you ponder these experiences, how about creating a small ritual to honor these fragrances? Light a candle, and as the flame dances, take a deep breath and allow the scents around you to envelop you. Feel how each aroma resonates with your essence and transforms into a tool for release. Repeat to yourself, I embrace my memories. I allow myself to feel. I am guided by the light of the angels. This is a moment of transformation. By recognizing and accepting the emotions tied to the sense of the past, you take a powerful step toward healing. And what do the angels have in store for you now? A new perspective on love and loss, an opportunity to reshape your life narrative, turning each tear into a lesson learned. Allow yourself to be wrapped in this journey, for it is just beginning. As the angels continue to guide you, prepare to discover how these fragrances can not only remind you but also inspire new realities in your life. And as you reflect on this, know that the next revelation will be even deeper and filled with light. Nostalgia is a bridge that connects us to past moments, bringing to the surface feelings that can be both sweet and bitter. Amid these memories, have you ever stopped to think about the presence of angels? They are always around us, ready to guide and comfort us, especially when we let ourselves be swept away by waves of longing. It's fascinating how certain scents, like the perfume of a flower or the aroma of a special dinner, can instantly transport us to a moment in the past. When this happens, it's as if the angels are whispering in our ears, reminding us that we are never alone. Imagine yourself on a sunny afternoon, where a gentle breeze carries the scent of fresh flowers. This smell might remind you of a special moment, perhaps a spring day when you shared laughter and stories with someone dear. The angels are there, in that magical space, helping you to reclaim the pure joy that moment provided. They not only allow you to relive these occasions, but they also want you to know that the essence of these memories never fades. They are part of your journey, and the angels are here for you to celebrate each one of them. Now, as you reflect on these reminiscences, ask yourself, how do you feel when you remember these moments? Is there a sense of gratitude or perhaps a twinge of melancholy? These feelings may be an invitation from the angels for you to explore more deeply what each memory represents in your life. Often, what appears to be sadness conceals a precious lesson, an opportunity for healing or growth. The presence of angels is a reminder that everything we experience, each emotion and encounter, contributes to your inner brightness. And this brings us to an essential point. The angels are here to help you transform nostalgia into a positive drive. Every time you sense their presence in your memories, it's a sign that they are showing you the value of your story. Think about how you can honor those memories, perhaps by writing them in a journal or creating a special space in your home where you can connect with these energies. But what do the angels have in store for you now? This will be revealed in the moments to come. Are you ready to discover? As you consider this, let your intention flow and allow the light of the angels to illuminate your recollections, transforming them into a foundation for your present and future. Scents have a magical power, don't they? They can transport us to distant places, awaken dormant memories, and even calm the storm within us. Have you ever stopped to think about how a simple smell can trigger deep emotions or remind you of significant moments? It's like the universe is sending us subtle messages through the fragrances that cross our path. Imagine walking through a blooming field, where the gentle breeze carries the sweet fragrance of wildflowers. Each breath is an invitation to serenity, a connection with the nature that surrounds us and with the essence that resides within us. The angels, always by our side, use these aromas as divine tools to guide us on our journey of self-discovery and healing. They understand that each scent carries a unique vibration, capable of connecting us to our true essence. When you smell fresh coffee in the morning, it's not just a daily ritual. It's an opportunity for renewal, a reminder to start the day with gratitude and clarity. And when the scent of lavender fills the air, you can feel the calm spreading through every cell of your body. The angels are there, whispering tranquility and love, helping you release the weight of worries and make room for inner peace. Now, think about moments in your life when a specific aroma brought forth intense emotions. It could be the smell of baking bread that reminds you of your childhood home, or the fragrance of the sea that transports you to unforgettable vacations. These smells are not mere coincidences. They are messages from the angels, who are always trying to communicate with you. What do they want you to know? What are these significant memories trying to teach you? You might wonder, how can I use this to my advantage? The answer lies in paying attention. Throughout your days, allow yourself to feel and recognize the aromas that arise around you. Make it a ritual. Light an aromatic candle while you meditate, or put a drop of essential oil on your wrists as you start a new task. These small gestures are ways to open your heart and mind to the angelic messages that are always present. As you consider the role of aromas in your life, ask yourself, what fragrance resonates most with my soul at this moment? It could be a scent that leads you to a state of peace or connects you to a deep desire. By identifying this, you can start to create a sacred space around you where the celestial energy flows freely. And while you reflect on all this, remember that the angels are here to guide you, always ready to illuminate your path. They communicate through the scents you encounter, and this connection is an opportunity for transformation. What more do they have to reveal to you? That is a question worth exploring. The journey doesn't end here. By taking a deep breath and allowing yourself to feel, you are taking a step towards self-discovery and healing. And who knows, what more are the angels preparing for you? The answer may be just a scent away.